What?
Oh, man. What a nightmare.
Freddy Krueger nightmares again?
No, shut up.
So what happened?
Oh, it was a nightmarish park, but it was actually really nice. I had a nice dream that I was in Peru, and I was cooking with my sister. Food, so much food. We had a blast. It was wonderful.
¡Estoy en Perú! ¿Habla español? ¡Sí, hablo español! ¿Vamos a cocinar algo? No puedo cocinar algo solo. This is my sister! We're gonna cook together! What's your name?
My name is Pierina.
I'll translate. Pierina's! First, we need a drink.
Of course.
Okay, so first things first. Salud.
Salute.
Okay.
Very good.
What are we cooking?
So we're going to do Huancaina sauce. Salsa Huancaina. The main ingredient is this. Do you know what is this?
Chili pepper?
See, but it's a type of pepper. It's called yellow pepper.
But it's orange.
But it's called yellow. It can be orange, it can be
That's good.
more, it depends on the maduración. But they are usually this orange, the ones we always buy, but we call them yellow. Just don't ask, accept them as they are.
What's this?
Limón.
Lime.
Limón.
Lemon?
Lemon.
But it's green, like a lime. Limon.
But it's also smaller than the green ones you call limes are bigger, are like this size. These are very small. And this is the lemons we always use in Peru for everything. This is what we call lemon. We do not know anything else rather than this.
¿Verdad?
See? And then the yellow ones that you call lemon, we call American lemon. Limón americano.
Lemon.
Limón americano.
Lemon americano.
What we're gonna do today is what I was telling you guys about the Huancaina sauce. And there are two stories. One,
The legend of the La Huancaina.
the Huancaina legend. So there are two. One is simply where there's a place in Peru called Huancayo. They did this sauce to accompany potatoes from from Huancayo. So that's why they say potatoes a la Huancaina. Because the potatoes used were from Huancayo. So the other story is when they were building a central train that went from Lima to other places of Peru, and they had to get rid of some mountains and everything because Andes and complicated geography to build. And all the workers needed to eat, obviously, and they ate a lot of potatoes because that's a very potato area. And there was a lady that cooked the potatoes with this sauce and gave it to the workers. So, and they called that lady, which was like very kind and very like a service person, and she was from Huancayo, so she was the Huancaina. And the potatoes were also from there, so potatoes to the Huancaina. I don't know which story you want to believe or not believe, but
I like the second one.
me too.
The second one is truth.
What we need, most important of all, is the yellow chili pepper. You may find them in a Latino market, frozen, or even the pastes, like yellow chili paste already made and processed, blah blah blah.
Is it spicy?
It's spicy, but we're gonna treat it for it not to be spicy, so you can eat it, because you don't like spicy that much, right?
Sometimes.
Milk.
¿Qué milk is? When I was little, I used to drink this. And you're not supposed to drink it, right?
Why not? Yeah.
You're supposed to just drink it like that, as a meal, not as a meal.
No, not as a meal.
Yeah, there you go.
Ah.
Like, I grapes.
Evaporated milk.
Cremosita leche Nestle.
It's creamy. And it's,
Like me.
La madre. We have the cheese, queso fresco.
Queso fresco también tienen Mexican markets and like Vallarta and stuff like that.
Some people use for the Huancaina this kind of cookies. I do not use, but I still want. How do you call these cookies? In Peru we say galleta de soda. Soda cookies.
Saltine crackers. ¿Se puede comer una?
Sí, come.
We have enough?
No, I'm not gonna use it.
Ah.
Yo no sé si en otros países hay.
Hold on, I'm having a childhood trauma flashback. Hold on, it hurts. It hurts when it happens. This is what was given to people when they're sick.
Sí, when you're sick, they give you this.
Oh my god.
Sí.
Oh yeah. Oh god. Oh, here comes another one.
Exorcismo.
The power of Christ compels you. The blood of the martyrs commands you. Okay, done.
The power of the beer.
Yeah, please. It burns.
Ah.
Oh, it burns. Pisco will cure it.
Listo.
Never eating that again. Yeah.
Never eaten that again. Obviously, salt and pepper. Oil, just oil.
Canola oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, papa huancaina,
The best
anise
oil for everything, for me, is olive oil, but I have sunflower oil.
Sunflower oil.
Es de girasol. Last but not least, so for the dish, it's these potatoes, and this potato
Yeah.
is called yellow potato, papa amarilla, which is the best potato ever in the whole world.
And
Like,
it actually is yellow.
it is very yellow. Not
like. But how many kinds of potatoes are in Peru?
like more than 1,200 types of potatoes.
And there's an actual like deposit by the government farm of all the cultivated potatoes, and
Yes.
they keep the seeds all separated,
To
like
protect them.
to protect them, just in case there's like an apocalypse, and they're like, well, there's zombies, but at least we have la papa de la huancaina. Like,
We need to clean the chili. This is how it looks on the inside. We need to get rid of all the veins and seeds because that's the spicy. All the spiciness is there, but it's the spicy component in the chilies.
so it's like a delicate surgery.
It is.
And if you touch your face right now,
No.
that's it. You don't wear gloves? You don't have glovesies?
No, but
Yeah.
I'm careful not to touch my eyes or anything because yes, I die.
¡Es Piero!
¡Oye, Piero!
Comíate. Puta madre.
Oye, ¿qué pasa?
What's wrong with you?
Call me when the food's ready.
Oye. And he leaves.
Ungrateful son of a bitch.
Now you have all the yellow chili clean. So we're gonna boil them. If you like spicy, you may not boil them. Put them with some garlic, oil, and saute them.
So right now they're spicy. After you boil them, not spicy.
Exactly.
Ta-da! So it's supposed to be that spicy, that's not spicy.
Exactly.
Alright, we'll see what happens.
Enough of a cup for me. Un poquito para mí. ¿Quieres?
Okay. ¿Se come así nomás?
Good home.
It's like tofu.
Sí.
My snack milk and oil.
A little bit of salt. The traditional recipe does not say this, but I always put pepper on everything because I love pepper and Chester. Where is Chester? In my dreams.
In my dreams.
And now it's time to serve. I am drinking alone. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Peruvians.
Traditionally, they always put a lettuce leaf underneath. Do you want lettuce? I don't like it. That's why I'm
No.
not putting it. I'm being a rebel.
We're not gonna do lettuce because I like rice with it.
This dish is an entree. So it goes with a lettuce leaf, 1 or 2 potatoes, the sauce, and egg, and the olives. The traditional presentation, but without the lettuce, because I'm not fan of the lettuce. And no one is actually. Everyone leaves the lettuce. No one eats the lettuce.
It's a wasteful garnish.
It is.
Like the little plastic leaves in sushi.
Exacto. Why? Why people do
It's a
that?
waste.
Ahí está, pues, mira.
And
Y
the
se
second
le
one?
pone su huevo.
Hard-boiled egg.
Hard-boiled egg. It's optional to add like some lemon drops to the sauce just at the end. And here we're gonna put the full lime.
So now this is the second one.
So for the second version with the potatoes, we're gonna chancarlas. A little bit of oil just to.
Ah. Oh my god, with your fist, that's amazing.
Like
That is mad skills right there.
Ahí tienes. And you make a fake potato.
So while you smash it, then you add the lemon, the lemon lime,
Y
and pepper.
pepper and salt. Right there.
Yeah. Why make a fake potato? Because you're able to put the oil in you.
Just because I
Yeah.
want.
So you can make a different shape, like a little hot dog.
See, you wanna make a.
Vamos a hacer un potato and then one hot dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Puta madre.
This is the best dream I've ever had in my life. Yeah.
Oh,
you're right, I should
you're
eat
gonna dream that you cook and you don't eat.
it. But isn't that how dreams usually work?
See.
I always have dreams that like I go into Best Buy and I steal a bunch of DVDs and I have a cart full of DVDs and then I wake up and I'm like, where's my cart? Damn it, it was a dream. It never completes. So it maybe it's kind of a nightmare. No, mi hermanita Sempirina. Ah. Ah. I want potatoes now.
Yep. I wish I could go to Peru.
What? I didn't go to Peru. It was a dream. Anyway, this is Jack signing off.
Yep, and this is Chester Pepper signing out.
Ah, muy bonita la presentación. Creo que así se ve mejor.
Tengo invitados. ¿Qué pasa?